Hi Átha, Alana and Shaw o Let's Learn Irish, and today we're going to be learning about the counties within the province of Leinster in Ireland. The province of Leinster gets its name from a Gaelic population group that lived in early Ireland. The Irish for the province of Leinster is Cúige Line. Cúige Line. Tá rá chontae déag gCúige Line. There are 12 counties within the province of Leinster, as follows. County Carlow, Contae Cheatharlach. County Dublin, Contae Átha. County Kildare, Contae Kildare. County Kilkenny, Contae Kilkenny. County Laois, Contae Laoise. County Longfort, Contae Longfoirt. County Louth, Contae Lú. County Meath, Contae Meath. County Offaly, Contae Uíbh. County Westmeath, Contae hIarmhí. County Wexford, Contae Loch Garman. And finally, County Wicklow, Contae Lú. I'll repeat that list again for you. County Carlow, Contae Cheatharlach. County Dublin, Contae Átha. County Kildare, Contae Kildare. County Kilkenny, Contae Kilkenny. County Laois, Contae Laoise. County Longfort, Contae Longfoirt. County Louth, Contae Lú. County Meath, Contae Meath. County Offaly, Contae Uíbh. County Westmeath, Contae hIarmhí. County Wexford, Contae Loch Garman. And finally, County Wicklow, Contae Lú. Agus sin é a chairde. For more information and more tutorials, please be sure to join us at letslearnirish.com. Bí gilin.